Welcome. Thank you for joining me. I'm using my Rode Wireless Go along with the Ceramic XR-XM1 microphone. And you should be hearing maybe a audio concern. I don't know. I'm with 4K at 30 frames per second. EV -7. So now that we know my settings of the Osmo Action, we could continue forward with the review. I shot video with my GoPro. I use quick capture. And every time we use quick capture, it may and mostly may not tell you exactly the profile you're on. So by memory, you have to know exactly what you're doing with your camera. Remember the settings you're on. So that means I would have to stop what I'm doing or take my time getting out my camera. I'll want to hit the quick capture. The camera comes on and you see exactly what's happening in the video. Well, the good thing is now you got two nice examples. You got the sound of a GoPro and the sound of the Osmo Action. I don't like doing a lot of things on the bicycle in this manner, but I enjoy taking my time going out there and getting these reviews and test samples of my own to share to all. I want to thank you for this short concern. I'm going to go sit down, I'm going to listen to the video, decide if it's right, do it all over again if I don't like the way it came out off of the Osmo Action. Have a great day. See you on many other videos to come. As you can hear, the issue is gone. I have a problem with the grounding of the Rode Wireless Go. Many people out there don't show issues like this. When I put this video up and don't show in the beginning one and made this a separate one, then you'll have to look at both videos. It's like a two-part series, right? Now that's a good reason why I don't use an external mic on the Rode Wireless Go. It does a good job either way. I was looking for my Olympus D51S. I just couldn't find it, just like I couldn't find my right angle. Speaking of accessories, the right angle adapter. I heard that you can use a right angle adapter, a TRRS. This is a TRS, tip ring sleeve. That means you got a left, a right, and a ground. Now, TRRS has a microphone left and right. Those are for smartphones today. And that's what some people use. Well, you know the story. So I hope this video again was helpful to you. One other thing. The Rode Wireless Go is on low dB. I don't have to yell. I could talk in a very soft voice and I'll still be able to be heard through the camera. Well, that's a good thing for sure. So on that note, again, I'll see you all on other videos to come. I'm Fish, out of here.